Good morning, students. Welcome back in your physics class today. Today topic is cyclotron. So first of all, we'll see the definition. So first of all, we will see the definition. What is cyclotron? Cyclotron can be defined as type of particle accelerator in which charged particle accelerates outward from the center along a spiral path. These particles are held to a spiral trajectory by a static magnetic field and accelerated by a rapidly varying electric field. Simply, you can say cyclotron is an accelerator that is used to accelerate the charge particle. So, see the diagram. What are the different parts are there? Vacuum chamber, D's, magnetic field, electric field region, beam, target. Target means the particle we are going to disintegrate, like a radioactive sample. If we want to disintegrate the radioactive sample, we can hit the target, hit the particle on it. That is target. Now let's see the working principle for this. A cyclotron accelerates a charged particle beam using high frequency alternating voltage, which is applied between two hollow D-shaped chambers. Two D-shaped chambers are there, as we seen in the diagram also. The Ds are placed face to face with a narrow gap between them, creating a cylindrical space. As we seen in the diagram, there's the space between the two Ds, and in this space we are going to put the charge particle. Charge particle may be alpha particle, you can say. We can put there only. Particle are injected into the center of this space. We will inject the particle in this space, then we are going to apply the electric field as well as magnetic. We will see in the next one. The magnetic field causes the path of the particle bend in a circle due to a Lorentz force perpendicular to their direction of force. The Lorentz force, simply you can say, is the magnetic force. Then after that, alternating voltage of several thousand volts are applied to between the Ds. Obviously, we have to rotate the charge particle again and again in the strong magnetic field as well as electric field, and after some time it will require the high voltage, and then we'll skip it from that window, and charge particle hit on the target. The frequency of the voltage is set so that particle make one circuit during a single cycle of the voltage. You getting it? I hope you will all understand this. Next time we'll see the next topic. Thank you very much.